Now we will calculate the total combination equivalent capacitance of three capacitors when they are connected in parallel. Suppose that there are three capacitors C1, C2 and C3. They are connected in parallel and they are connected now across a battery whose terminal potential is V. Charge on capacitor, one is Q1, another is Q2, another is Q3. Then Q1 will be equal to C1 into V. Since they are connected in parallel, therefore potential difference will be the same. Q2 will be equal to C2 into V. Q3 is equal to C3 into V. If you add all these three equations, Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 is equal to C1V plus C2V plus C3V. This is total charge Q. Now C1 plus C2 plus C3. V is common. And if net capacitance is C, then CV is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 into V. V and V cancel out. Therefore, equivalent capacitance is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So now next I will describe the topic polarization of dielectric. Dielectrics are insulating materials. There are two types of dielectrics, non-polar dielectrics and polar dielectrics. In non-polar dielectrics, positive charge center and negative charge center are located at same place. Therefore, they do not have any electric dipole moment like benzene, methane, etc. And in polar dielectric, positive charge center and negative charge center are at different locations. Therefore, they have permanent dielectric moment, dipole moment, but in normal state, their electric dipole moments are randomly oriented. Therefore, net electric dipole moment is 0. But when they are placed in external electric field, they align themselves according to electric field of external electric field, and therefore they acquire electric dipole moment. Now we will discuss polarization of dielectric. As I said, dielectrics are two types, non-polar dielectric and polar. In non-polar dielectric, positive charge center and negative charge center is at same place. And you know that electric dipole moment is P is equal to Q into 2L. Therefore, if distance between two positive and negative charge is 0, so 2L is 0. Therefore, net dipole moment of these molecules is 0. For in polar molecules, positive charge center and negative charge centers are at different locations. Therefore, they have permanent electric dipole moment. But in normal state, their directions are randomly oriented. Therefore, net dielectric moment is 0. But when they are kept in external electric field, suppose that external electric field has been applied like this, E external. Now, whether they are polar or non-polar, when the molecules are between the plates of capacitor electric field, there are two plates. So negative charge shifted towards positive side. This is negative side, and positive charge shifted towards negative side. Therefore, a distance is created between positive charge center and negative charge center, and therefore they acquire dipole moment. So this phenomenon is called polarization of dielectric. When dielectric planes are kept in electric field, external electric field, the distance between positive charge center and negative charge center increases and they acquire electric dipole moment. And net polarization is measured by, it is denoted by capital P, it is equal to net dipole moment, P net, upon volume. And this P net is proportional to applied electric field. And therefore P proportional to E, P is equal to constant chi E. This constant is called electric susceptibility of material. Electric susceptibility. Now I will tell what happens due to polarization of dielectric. Direction of external electric field is positive this side, negative this side. Direction of external electric field is this side, E external. And due to polarization of dielectric, positive center has shifted this, negative this. So therefore an electric field has been induced in this direction. This is E induced. And both electric field is in opposite direction. So therefore net electric field is equal to E external minus E induced. And this E net is given by E external upon dielectric constant. And therefore, when dielectric materials are placed in electric field, net electric field decreases because of polarization of dielectric, and net electric field is 1 upon K times external electric field.